Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're back in the kitchen, but not for a cooking recipe or a repair video. We're doing a drink, okay? It's a recipe video, but it's a recipe for a drink. I was thinking the other day, I used to actually work at a bar about a year ago. I was there for like 25 years, called Big Al's. I did videos from there for people that are just joining the channel after, like, I don't know, first 1,000 subscribers. I actually had a YouTube channel called Bar Talk, where I actually talked at a bar. But anyhow, long story short, we're going to be making a drink. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, we're about survival on a budget made easy. Like I said, we're making a drink recipe. It's really simple. I want to give thanks to Dan Z as in zombie. I never knew this drink existed. Like I said, I used to tend bar for 25 years. I think it's just something people came up with. But first thing you're going to need is a pitcher. Now, when he told me this, I looked online, because when there's drinks, there's always variations. And, well, I kind of just went with the easiest variation of it. And do yourself a favor, start with the pitcher. Some people don't include this when mixing them, but trust me, it's going to be a lot easier. You're going to need 3 cans of beer, 12-ounce beers, okay? You want a lighter beer, don't try Yingling, and don't try the Guinness Stouts. Stay away from the darker beers, okay? Go ahead, put those in your pitcher. Now, when you pour this, see if I can do it on camera for you. Try to hold it, the liquid, against the pitcher so it doesn't foam up as much. Okay. Grab your second can. Put about half of that in. Now you're going to want 100% orange juice, no pulp, okay? Don't try Tang or anything. I tried Tang, and trust me, it don't work. Make sure you shake it up real good. Now we got 1 empty can, okay? Now it's 4 ounces of orange juice to 12 ounces of beer. If you ain't got a measuring cup, use an empty beer can. Okay, the reason I'm doing it this way is because you do not want to stir this. Okay, you stir it, the beer is going to go flat. It's going to taste horrible. So go ahead, put 12 ounces of OJ in. Slowly, do it slowly. Don't be in no rush. Okay, you got your OJ in. Add the other half can of beer. What you're doing is you're actually mixing the drink as you go, instead of trying to stir it or shake it. Now, here's where you get different variations. Some people say you need to serve it in a pint glass. Some people say you need to serve it in a rock glass. Some people say add ice. Some people say don't add ice. Me personally, I like ice with it. It kind of reminds me of a screwdriver, but it tastes different. Don't put it in the pitcher because it'll water it down. Go ahead, put some in your rock glass. Now, if you have a slice of orange, it's nice to put it as a garnish. It really is. Makes the drink really look nice. You got a little bit of foam on top. And that color's dead on. That's how you want it to look. Okay, if you get it that color, you done it right. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, like drink videos, me mixing drinks, let me know. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button. I think it's over here in this corner. And as always, thank you for watching.